You wouldn't believe it, but we're back repairing the Troopy. I know, it's something different. It's not something we've ever had to do before. But hey, we gotta do these things occasionally, you know? It's just the way drag racing a troop carrier works. So, if you didn't watch the last video, you'll see where, right at the very end, we may have spun one wheel. Now, I'll grab this. The axle looks perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. Now let's walk around the other side. This was my lovely repair to get home. It's high-tech repairs, you know, you do what you have to. Let me just unwrap this. Oh, I forget how I wrapped it up. Oh, grease. Yum. There we go. As you can see, snapped every axle stud off, sheared my dowel pins. These two disappeared because I had 4 10mm dowel pins and the 6 axle studs. All gone.